Good afternoon and welcome to Ajax Machine Tools. This is a brief introduction into the Ajax AJBS460SA Semi-Automatic Bandsaw. It has a 460mm diameter capacity, powered chuck, powered swivel and all sorts of other features that Peter's going to show you now.
Okay, so first off we'll raise the bar out of the way. Then we can move the vise around to suit our application, depending on which way we're cutting and what we're cutting. Okay, so for the power swivel, I have to release the clamp here, which has a micro switch underneath it. Then using this switch, and as you can see on the screen, we can monitor the degrees here. And we also have a rapid button here, rapid positioning. We set this to 45 degrees. Now we can lower the beam and check that we can move our vise across to clamp closer to the blade. So if we were cutting this piece of plastic, for example, using the hydraulic clamp here on this switch, we can clamp the workpiece and just double check that we can cut that at 45 degrees and it's clamped safely and nicely. Now I'll show you the machine running in semi-automatic mode. Remembering to reclamp back in the zero position. Now we can start our blade going by holding the green button, which is adjustable with this dial here. The RPM is read on the gauge. Then to set our feed rate down is this knob here, depending on what you're cutting. Once the machine has finished its cut, and return back to the top position. It normally does anyway. That's because I haven't explained this switch. This is manual mode, which we just saw. If we put it into car mode, which is automatic mode, when the machine reaches the bottom, it will raise on its own again. Thank you very much.